National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Polk County in central Iowa, Story County in central Iowa, Hardin County in central Iowa, Marshall County in central Iowa, southwestern Grundy County in central Iowa, northern Jasper County in central Iowa, southeastern Hamilton County in central Iowa, southeastern Boone County in central Iowa, until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodward to 4 miles southwest of Maxwell to 6 miles southwest of Laurel, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Steamboat Rock, Ferguson, Radcliffe, Green Mountain, Maxwell, Wellsburg, Cambridge, Melbourne, Buckeye, Kelly, Street Anthony, Luther, Drake Airport, Sheldowell, Eldora, Laurel, Haverhill, Clemens, Story City, and Colo. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 101 and 140. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Grundy, Hamilton, Hardin, Jasper, Marshall, Polk, and Story.